Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Madic from Coinbase to Crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your assets safely and efficiently. Madic, also known as the Polygon token, is a popular cryptocurrency for fast transactions, and transferring it between exchanges like Coinbase and Crypto.com is easier than you might think. But remember, always double-check details to avoid any costly mistakes. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Crypto.com, and that you have some Madic in your Coinbase wallet. Start by logging into your Coinbase account on a secure device. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find the Assets, or Portfolio, section. Locate Madic in your list of holdings. It's usually listed as Madic. Next, click on Madic to open its details page. Look for the Send or Withdraw button. That's your gateway to transferring funds. Before you proceed, you'll need the wallet address from Crypto.com. Hop over to the Crypto.com app or website, go to your wallet, and select the deposit option for Madic. Make sure to choose the correct network, Polygon or Ethereum, depending on what Coinbase uses for Madic. Copy that address carefully. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so no typos allowed. Back on Coinbase, paste the Crypto.com wallet address into the To field. Enter the amount of Madic you want to send, but always leave a little extra for network fees. Review the transaction details one last time, check the address, amount, and fees. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your two-factor authentication. Now, sit tight. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Crypto.com and refresh your wallet to see your Madic arrive. Pro tip: keep an eye on gas fees, as they can vary, and always use the official apps to stay secure. And there you have it. That's how you send Madic from Coinbase to Crypto.com in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.